Method 1. Through cPanel. Open your browser and log into your hosting cPanel. The cPanel address is usually your domain name followed by /cPanel. Once you are on dashboard, look for the general information section. There you will find shared IP address. There it is. That's your hosting IP address. Method 2. Using command line. If you are a Windows user, use command prompt. If you are on Mac, use terminal. Since I'm using a Mac, I'll open terminal and type ping space your domain and then click enter. The server will respond by displaying an IP address like this. Method 3. Using online tools. Another way is by using online server check tools like checkhost.net. Open the website, enter your domain name in the available field, and wait a few seconds. On the right side, you will see IP address displayed. Method 4. Check your hosting registration email. The last method is to check the email you use when signing up for your hosting service. Hosting providers usually send login details, including the server IP address. You can use your email search feature instead of checking each email one by one. And there it is. That's a tutorial on how to find web hosting IP address. Hope this helps. Subscribe for more tutorials.